of U that are not in A. It is denoted by A dash or A complement, A to the power C. In the symbol A dash or A to the power C. So look at here, A dash or A to the power C. This C representing complement. Through a Venn diagram they explained this. Inside the universal set A they represented. After that, A dash means they are not shading inside the circle, they are shading outside. That means we should take the outside the elements, we have to take the elements that are not in A. That's only they are given. The A is the set of all elements of U that are not in A. Look at one example. Already I gave many example. Just this example they are given in the text. If universal set equals to all boys in your class, set A is boys who play in cricket. They are asking the question, what is A dash? What is A dash? Boys who do not play in cricket in your class. This is the Venn diagrammatic representation of A dash. And also we discussed difference of two sets. Let A and B be two sets. The difference of set A and B in the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. A dash means the element should be in set A but it should not be in set B. It is denoted by A difference B or A by B. You can read it as A by B also. A difference B. A difference B, B difference A. So this is the diagrammatic representation Venn diagram for set difference. A minus B means you have to set the set A. That means leave the set B fully. B difference A, you have to leave the set A fully, share the remaining part of set B. This is the disjoint way of representing the set difference. These two only very important. Keep it in your mind. Next we pass on to the third Roman number in the exercise 1.3. If universal set elements are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, set A have the elements, set B A have the elements B, D, F, H, and B have the elements A, D, E, H, find the following sets: A dash, B dash, A dash union B dash, A dash intersection B dash, A union B the whole dash, A intersection B the whole dash, A dash of dash, B dash of dash. Now we are going to do the first one, A dash. A dash is, we are subtracting the elements of A from universal set. U universal set minus A. First write the elements of universal set, after that write the elements of set A. Cancel the common elements in both the sets. After that write the remaining elements in set U. What are the remaining elements? A, C, E, G and H. A, C, E, G, H are the remaining elements in the universal set. After that B dash. The formula is universal set minus set B. Write the elements of set U. After that write the elements of set B. Cancel the common elements in both the sets E. After that strike out the H. Now you write the remaining elements B, C, F, G. Set B dash equals to B, C, F, G. Next third one is A dash union B dash. Already we find A dash, the elements of set A dash. So A dash union B dash. A dash is A, C, E, G, H. Union B dash is B, C, F, G. Club the two sets. That means A, B, C, E, H, F, G. Next A intersection. Sorry, A dash intersection B dash. Write the set A dash. After that write the set B dash. write the common element. C and G are in both the A dash and B dash. So A dash intersection B dash is C, G. A union B the whole dash. This is one formula. What is the formula of A union B the whole dash? A dash intersection B dash. Already we got A dash intersection B dash is C, G. A intersection B the whole dash is A dash union B dash. Already this also we got, that is H, A, B, C, E, F, G. Next, in the note itself I explain A dash of dash equals to A. I have to write the elements of set A, B, D, F, H. B dash of dash equals to set B. I have to write the elements of set B. That is given in the text A, D, E, H. Students, when you are doing the A dash and B dash, initially you have to do like this. Write the universal set. After that write the set A or B. Cancel the elements. After that you have to pick the remaining elements in set U. After that easily you know you can write A dash union B dash, A dash intersection B dash. This is the formula. A union B the whole dash is A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B the whole dash is A dash union B dash. How this formula is we are getting, I will explain through a Venn diagram later. Next we pass on to the fourth sum in the exercise 1.3. Fourth sum in exercise 1.3. The previous sum they are given the alphabets A, B, C like that. Here they are given in the numbers. It is very easy to understand comparing to the previous one. Let universal set U equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Elements of set A 1, 3, 5, 7. Elements of set B 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. I have to find A dash, B dash, A dash union B dash, A dash intersection B dash, A union B the whole dash, A intersection B the whole dash, A dash of dash and B dash of dash. Before that I will explain one formula. A union B the whole dash is A dash intersection B dash. For this one, A intersection B the whole dash is A dash union B dash, opposite. A dash of dash equals to A, B dash of dash equals to B. That means you have to write the elements of set A. Here you have to write the elements of set B. So already I explained the question. Directly we are going to do the sum. First A dash, already explained, we are subtracting the set A from universal set. Write the universal set. After that write the set A. Here cancel the common elements. 1, 3, 5, 7. Here what are the remaining elements we have? 0, 2, 4, 6. A dash is 0, 2, 4, 6. B dash same thing. Write the universal set minus set B. Write the universal set first minus write the elements of set B. After that cancel the common elements. 2 here we have, then 3, 5 and 7. So what are the remaining elements we have? 1, 4 and 6. So B dash is 1, 4, 6. After that easily you can write A dash union B dash. We got A dash and B dash. You join the two sets. The answer is 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. A dash intersection B dash. You have to write the common elements in A dash and B dash. What is the common element we have? 4 and 6. After that A union B the whole dash. A dash intersection B dash. What is A dash intersection B dash? That is 4 and 6. A intersection B the whole dash. The formula is A dash union B dash. The elements are 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. A dash of dash equals to set A 1, 3, 5, 7. B dash of dash equals to set B, that is 0, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Students, I hope you all understand the exercise 1.3 problem as well as union, set difference and also complementation of a set. These things and all we learn, and also I introduced to you Venn diagram. So before enter today's class, I'll recall the Venn diagram alone. First, we'll see the union of two sets. So this is the diagrammatic, Venn diagrammatic representation of union of two sets. After that, intersection of two sets, Venn diagram representation is this. I have to share inside the intersection of two circles. After that, complementation. This is set A means you are shading inside the circle A. Set A dash means you should not shade inside the circle A. After that, A difference B, B difference A difference B, you should not shade the circle B. Remaining part of the circle A you have to shade. In the B difference A, you should not shade the circle A. Remaining part of the circle B you have to shade. So these are the very important, because the set Venn diagram A difference B, B difference A, they will ask in the examination. That's why again and again I am repeating. So today we are going to complete the remaining sums in the exercise 1.3. What are the remaining sums means? Only 3 Roman numbers only we have. But these 3 Roman numbers also we are going to discuss the Venn diagrammatic representation. They will are given A union B, A intersection B, these things and all already you know very well. I will repeat it again. One more important concept today we are going to learn, that is find the symmetric difference between the following sets. First we have to understand what is meant by symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric difference of sets. We have the two sets A and B. What is the formula for symmetric difference of two sets? A difference B union B difference A. This is only the formula of A symmetric B. You have to read it as A symmetric B. That's only they are given A symmetric B. This triangle is represented symmetric. A symmetric B equals. So A symmetric B is A difference B union B difference A. This representing A symmetric B. So please ignore the above thing I shown before that. And also one more way also they are writing A symmetric B equals to A union B minus A intersection B. A union B difference A intersection B. This way also you can do this, but the standardized method is A symmetric B equals to A minus B union B minus A. This only fourth Roman number in the exercise 1.3. I will explain it now. In the fifth Roman number, 3 sums we have. First one is set P equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and Q is 1, 3, 5, 11. Second one is LMNOP, S equals to JLNQ, X equals to 5, 6, 7 and Y equals to 5, 7, 9, 10. I will explain. So first one is set P, they are given 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Set Q is 1, 3, 5, 11. P symmetric Q equals to P difference Q union Q difference P. First you have to find P difference Q. Write the elements of set P 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Elements of set Q 1, 3, 5, 11. Strike out the common elements. P difference Q is 2 and 7 in the set P. Q difference P is 1 alone. So we know the formula P symmetric Q equals to 2, 7 union 1. That is, this is a P difference Q, this is Q difference P. Finally, we can write P symmetric Q equals to 1, 2 and 7. The next question is R equals to LMNOP and S equals to JLNQ. R symmetric S equals to R difference S union S difference R. First we will find R difference S. Write the elements of set R and S. After that cancel the common elements. Common element is L and M. write the remaining element MOP, that is R difference S. S difference R is remaining elements in set S, that is J and Q. R symmetric S equals to R difference S union S difference R. R difference S is MOP, S difference R is JQ. Join the two sets, that is MJQOP. Third sum is set X elements are 5, 6, 7. Set Y elements are 5, 7, 9, 10. X symmetric Y equals to X difference Y union Y difference X. First you have to find X difference Y. Write the elements of X and Y respectively. After that cancel the common elements. 6 alone in set X, that is only X difference Y. Y difference X is remaining elements of set Y. 9 and 10 are the remaining element of set Y. X difference Y union Y difference X is X symmetric Y. X difference Y is 6, Y difference X is 9, 10. Join the two sets, that is 6, 9, 10. Finally we can conclude X symmetric Y equals to 6, 9, 10. Students, the symmetric difference of two sets is very important. Two way you can do. The first one is A symmetric B equals to A difference B